Let us start exercise 5.481. Write the question. I am just explaining. Exercise 5.4, 8 question. Yes. We are on 8. Now mute the microphone. Yes. Swati spent, I am reading the question, meanwhile you write. Swati spent rupees 800.60 and Nikita spent rupees 732.25. Swati spent rupees 800.60 and Nikita spent rupees 732.25. So who spent less money and how much less? So Swati spent 800 rupees 0.60 and Nikita spent 732.25. So clearly you can see the whole part. 800 is bigger than 732. So who spent less? So Nikita spent less money. We write Nikita spent less money. Nikita Nikita spent, yes. Nikita spent, yes. Yes, my dear. Now right. Nikita spent, mute the microphone. I want microphone mute. Once you said, I will listen to you and immediately mute the microphone. Nikita spent less money because when you compare this whole part is 800. This is 732. So 732 is less than 800. So Nikita spent less money. Now by how much? So we subtract the bigger amount minus smaller amount. So now we subtract rupees 800.60 minus, we subtract, to find the difference we subtract rupees 732.25. Now we have to subtract. By how much less means you have to subtract the bigger amount 800.60 minus 732.25. Now check whether they are like decimals or not. After point there are 2 digits. After point there are 2 digits. So they are like decimals. Yes, they are like decimals. Yes, mute the microphone. They are like decimals. So now we subtract. This is 0. This is 5. So 0 is smaller. So 1 will be carried. This 0 becomes 10. And this 6 becomes 5. Yes. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 5 is left. 5 minus 2 is 3. Yes. Point. Now this is 0. Wait, no. I said mute the microphone. 0 and 2. 0 is smaller, so 1 is carried. 0 become 10. Then this 0 become 9. This 0 become 9. And 1 is carried. This 8 becomes 7. Yes, I said mute. No. I said mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. I don't want the answer. No, nothing should be discussed. I am explaining. No. Yeah, board is clear, right? 10 minus 0 smaller than 2. So 1 is carried. This become 10. 0 become 9. 8 becomes 7. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. Then 9. I said I do not want the answer. Next time if you give the answer in between, you will be out of the group. I do not want the answer. 9 minus 3 is 6. Yes, no problem. 9 minus 3 is 6. Then 7 minus 7 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. 0, 68 is same as 68.35. 0, 68 is same as 68. So rupees 68.35. So now we write the final answer. By how much less? So we write Nikita spent rupees 68.35. Nikita spent rupees 68.35 rupees less. So Nikita spent rupees 68.35 less. So by how much means you have to find the difference. By how much means you have to, yes, right. Now mute the microphone. Once you said I will listen to you, you immediately mute the microphone. So Nikita spent how much money less? So for that we find the difference. 800.60 minus 732.25. So we get 68.35. So Nikita spent 68.35 rupees less. Nikita spent 68.35 rupees less. Is it clear? Yes. Now let us go to the next problem. Nikita spent 68.35 rupees less. So by how much means you have to find the difference. We subtract the bigger amount minus smaller amount. 800.60 is the bigger amount. 732.25 is the smaller amount. With difference. Yes. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Otherwise I will remove. Now enough. Several times I will not remind you. Yes. Now ninth one I am writing the question. See here, the best part of learning maths is you have to read the question twice. I am telling you, you always neglect the question. Page number 77. Mute the microphone. Page number 77. I am writing the question. Do not worry. See, the best part of learning maths is you have to read the question. Always make the habit of reading the question twice. And if you follow my direction, you will become excellent in the maths. Provided you read the question twice. Try to understand the question. If you understand the question, then half of the part is over. You know what is given, what I have to find. So reading the question is the very much important part of maths, learning maths. So this you take care in the mind. Now Nikita had, ninth question I am writing, Nikita had rupees 200. Nikita has rupees 200 with her. Ninth question. She purchased. Mute the microphone. She purchased. Nikita had rupees 200 with her. She purchased her maths book. She purchased her maths book for rupees 53.80. Yes, mute the microphone. She purchased her maths book for rupees 53.80 and science book for rupees 67.25. Science book for rupees 67.25. Nikita had 200 rupees with her. From that 200 rupees, she purchased her maths book for 53.80 rupees and science book for 67.25 rupees. How much money is left with her? How much money? Yes, yes, ask. How much money is left with her? Yes, ask the doubt. Yes, allow her to speak. Yes, ask the question. What is your question? Yes. Yes. 25 is paise. 25 is paise. After point it is paise. Remember, 67 is rupees and 25 paise. Get here, 53 rupees 80 paise. Yes, now it is clear. Now mute the microphone. It is very much clear, right? Nikita had 200 rupees with her. So from 200 rupees, she spent 53.80 rupees for maths book, and again she spent 67.25 rupees for her science book. So after spending for maths book and science book, how much money is left? That we have to find. We have to find that. So this is important part you have to understand. So 200 rupees Nikita is having. From that 200 rupees she paid for her maths book 53.80 rupees. Again she paid for 67.25 rupees for science. Then how much money is left with her? That we have to find. Yes, let me solve this. So now we write solution. So write down the money. Write down money. Money left. Money left. Yes, it is. Right. Money left with Nikita. Money left with Nikita. Money left with Nikita is equal to. So from 200 rupees. So we write rupees 200. From 200 rupees she spent. Whenever it is spent, we subtract. How much amount for maths book? 53.80. 53.80. Again she spent. Spent means you have to subtract. Minus 67.25. 67.25. Are you getting? So Nikita is having wait, we'll see. Nikita is having 200 rupees. From that 200 rupees she spent. Spent means subtract. 53.80 rupees for maths. Again she spent 67.25. Yes, now do not speak. Mute the microphone. So now we check. Yes, now we check whether they are like decimal or not. After point there are 2 digits. After point 2 digits. There is no point. So we write point and then write down 20. We convert this into like decimal first. So that will be rupees 200.00 minus rupees 53.80 minus rupees 67.25. Yes. So now we check whether they are like decimal or not. After point 2 digit, after point 2 digit, after point 2 digit. So now let us simplify. Yes, now let us simplify. So first I will solve these two. 200 rupees minus 53.80. So first I will simplify these two. That we write rupees 200, rupees 200.00, then minus rupees 53.80, 53.80 we write. Now let us subtract. So this is my first step. In first step I will subtract these two. Then first step, this is my first step. In first step I will subtract first two. So this is 0 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then this is 0 and 8. So 1 is carried. This becomes 0 becomes 10. Then this 0 becomes 9. This 0 become 9. And this 2 become 1. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. Then 9 minus 3 is 6. Then 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 1 minus 0. Nothing is there means it is 0. Nothing is there means it is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So it is 146.20. Subtraction of 200 rupees minus 53.80 is 146 minus 20. Now from this amount I will again subtract 67.25. From this amount again I will subtract 67.25. From this amount again I will subtract 67.2. Yes. You right, rupees. Yes, rupees 146. Yes. You can do in that way also, no problem. Yes, absolutely correct. So now, wait, no. Let me mute the microphone. I'm explaining. No, mute the microphone. So in first step, I will subtract 200 rupees minus this. Then this amount we get. Now again from this balance amount, I will subtract this. So that is 60. That is 146. 146.20. From this amount, after spending 53.80 mass book, from 200 we get this amount. Again from this amount we subtract 67.25. 1 minute, I am taking 67.25. 67.25 we subtract 67.25, clear, right? Subtract this. So this is 0. So 0 becomes 10. Then 2 become 1. 2 become 1. Let us see. 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Wait, mute the microphone. Now this is 1. 1 and this is 2. So 1 is smaller. So again 1 is carried. Again 1 is carried. This becomes 11. Yes, I will take. Then 6 become 5. 6 become 5. 11 minus 2. Mute the microphone. 11 minus 2 is 9. Then 5. And this is 7. 5 is smaller than 7. So again 1 is carried. 5 becomes 15. And this 4 becomes 3. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. Then 3 and 6. 3 is smaller than 6. So again 1 is carried. This becomes 13 and 1 becomes 0. 1 becomes 0. So 13 minus 6 is 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. And 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So that is rupees. We write rupees 78.95. So we write yes. No. We write 0.95 bus. So money left 0.78. 0.78 we write 78. So money left with, because we write 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. Money left with Nikita. Money left with Nikita is rupees. There you write second step. This is my second step. So money left with Nikita is rupees 78.95. Money left with Nikita is rupees 78.95. And this type of problems you will be having in 7th standard, 8th standard, remember. So this decimal part is very much important. addition and subtraction of decimal is very much important. You will come across this decimal addition subtraction in 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th standard, 12th standard. So there should not be any confusion. There should be perfectly understanding. Yes, there should be complete understanding. Money left with Nikita. Yes, money, it is very much clear. Money left with Nikita is rupees 78.95. Money left with Nikita is rupees 78. Yes. Right. Money left with Nikita. So total money Nikita was having is 200 rupees. From that 200 rupees she spent 53.80 rupees for mass. Then the remaining amount is 146.20. Again from the remaining amount she spent 67.25 for science book. So the remaining final amount is 78 rupees 95 paise. 78 rupees 0.95 means it is 95 paise. So the money left with Nikita is 78.95. And this decimal addition subtraction is very much important. Yes, chat box I will check today. Definitely I will take action because here our study begins with the discipline. Our study begins with the discipline. Yes. Our study begins with the discipline. First discipline. It is clear, right? First discipline, then study. What is our? Yes. Mute the microphone. What is our philosophy? First discipline, then study. Our discipline must be first. Yes. A bright student has to first in the discipline. If there is discipline, there is intelligence. If there is indiscipline, there is yes. So, it is wait. Yes. Now it is clear, right? Yes, right. Yes. Now let us write 10th question. Let us write 10th question. See, according to me, first I expect the discipline. I don't want a student to be bright. I want first student to be disciplined and sincere and honest. Those are the yes. Let them write. Do not worry. Yes, you worry for 10th question. Let me write on the board. Right. The sum of two numbers. Yes. The sum means addition. The sum of two numbers is 153.62. The sum of two number is 153.62. The sum of two number is 153.62. If one number is 72.95, one number is 72.95, find the other. Other means other number. Find the other. The sum of two number is 153.62. If one number is 72.95, find the other number. So let us solve this. See, 1 minute, let me check. Let me check. It is clear, right? See, sum of two number there. Wait, no. There are two numbers. This is one number, and this is other number. Draw. And there sum means we write plus sign between them. Sum means plus. So sum of two number is means equal to. The sum of two number, sum means plus, is means equal to, is 153.62. The sum of two number is 153.62. This is my first number. Equal means is. After adding two number, the result is plus means sum. Plus means sum, and is means equal to. So first number and second number. There are two numbers. First number and second number. Or you can say other number. So what is first number? One number is 72.95. This is my 72.95. 72.95 is one number or first number. This is added to other number, so that we get the total 153.62. We get the total 153.62. So what is that other? Yes. We have to find this other number. Question mark. Question mark. Yes. That second number we have to find. Let that second number. Write down box. Let that second number be write as x. Let second number be x. X means we have to find. X is unknown. X is unknown to us. All of you mute the microphone. Unnecessary question you are asking. Board is very much clear. So question mark. One number is 72.95. Other number we don't know. The total of these two numbers, sum means total of these two numbers is 153.62. Let the other number be x. Yes, so we consider x. We write let other number be x. Yes. X. And then question mark. Question mark means we have to find. Let other number be x. So now we formulate the equation. First number 72.95 plus x is equal to 153.62. 153.62. Now instead of writing in the chat box, you pay attention, because this is the crucial part. Yes, this is the crucial part you have to understand. See, before equal to, this is my left hand side. Before equal to, this is my left hand side, and after equal to, it is my right hand side. This you remember. Before equal to is my left hand side. After equal to, it is my right hand side. This is the important part. This you remember. Before equal to, this is my left hand side. After equal to, this is my right hand side. Now listen. Before equal to is my left hand side. After equal to, it is my right hand side. Whenever we change the side, whenever we take the number from left side to right side or right side to left side, the sign of that number changes. Whenever we take the number from left side to right side or right side to left side, the sign of that number changes. That means if the number is having plus sign and if we change the side, it becomes minus. If the number is having minus sign and if we change the side, side means left side, right side, the sign changes. Now we take 72.95, which is on the left side. On the right side, this plus become minus. So we write x is equal to 153.62. Then we take 72.95 on the other side. It become minus 72.95. This is the crucial part. This you remember. Instead of writing in the chat box, you pay attention here. Before equal to we have left side, after equal to we have right side. Whenever we change the side, means we take the number from left. Whenever we take the number from left to right, the sign changes. On left side it was plus 72.95. When we take this number on the right side, it becomes minus 72.95. Now check whether they are like decimal. After 0.2 digit, they are like decimal. So subtract this number. So 153, subtract, 153.62, 72.95. Yes, let me explain. 72.95 minus, subtract. This is 2, this is 5. So 1 is carried. This become 12 and this become 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. Wait, mute the microphone. 12 minus 5 is 7. This is 5 and this is 9. 1 is carried. This become 15 and this become 2. 15 minus 9 is 6. Yes, mute the microphone. 15 minus 9 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then this is 5. 1 is carried. This is 5. 1 is carried. This becomes 15. And this 1 becomes 0. 15 minus 7 is 8. Then 0 minus 0 0. 80. Wait. Board is clear, right? 080.67. So we write. Wait. So other number. Other number is 080 means 80. 080 means 80. 80.67 is the other number. Yes. Other number is, yes, mute the microphone. Only this much. Yes, 80.67. Yes. Yes, no problem. Yes. See, before leaving, wait. Yes, now we stop here. Yes. Bye everybody, take care. Bye everybody, take care.